Hi guys, welcome back to Aaron Rocks, and today I'm going to play with Panda. Yeah, he's right beside me. You want to speak something to my YouTubers, Panda?
Yup, you suck.
He says a lot of things about me, stupid things. For example, he's also making a YouTube channel over there. So go subscribe him. Yeah, that's his first voice reveal. This is a voice reveal video of Expander Claus, and I'm going to play some fart noise. I don't know why, because I don't know why. Nandan is a poopy, that's why I'm going to put a fart.
What the heck?
That was from the phone, you dumbo. What did you think it would be?
Shut up.
Okay.
You're gonna do a 1v1, okay?
No 1v1s.
Yes.
Fine.
But let's get a lot of wood, okay? For building our house.
Okay,
Or anything which is like nice.
okay.
Anything.
I am not going to actually. Yeah, do you want to do something with me? You would love to play something like this with me. This is horrifying. You want to do this? Come on, leave this stupid game.
Oh yeah, one more thing. Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe and like the video, and also subscribe Expander Gaming. Expander Gaming, get out of that world. So I want to show you something bad.
Wait, I need. Fine, whatever. You suck.
Don't say me. I suck. Fine, whatever.
What?
Okay. Just flat. Wait, what? No, I can't delete that. Okay, I'm going to make a new world and create.
Shut up and just do what?
Okay, join my game and take as good items like God apple and everything, and like whatever you want. Okay, because we are going to something bad, very bad.
Let's build a house. You build a house?
No, this is not a world of building a house. Flat is for world is meant for this thing. I'll tell you what after some time. Okay, let me just get my armor on. Are you done putting your armor? Then put it.
Oh my god, freaking ads.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I wanted to change my name also.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I think I'm done. Wait, no, I'm not done. I need to get a lot of golden apples.
Okay, go get as many golden apples as possible. Okay.
Okay, you know. Okay, I'm gonna get it.
Where are you?
Somewhere you should.
Okay, not there. Oh come on, please tell me. You are literally in the void, aren't you? You're in the void. You are going in the void multiple times. Okay. Oh wait, no. I'm not going to get out of the void. No, don't do that. No.
Oh, one broke.
No, that was the thing you broke. The time you were falling. Okay, watch out for this.
Okay, you're stupid as hell. Okay.
Okay, now come here. Follow me.
Turn to not creative mode.
Take a bow. Dude,
Survival.
no.
Survival.
No, wait. Dude, I have to warn you about something. You have to be alert because you don't want to know what I'm going to do. Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Yeah.
I'm going to go in survival mode, and I'm going to call this death. This world death.
Why? And for what?
I don't know why. Okay, I spelled. Okay, fine, whatever. Okay.
Just do it.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay. Okay. Be ready, and we are not going to PvP. This is not a PvP world. I'm going to spawn a ghast, and we have to fight it. Is that okay? I'm not killing you. I'm killing the ghast. I killed it with its own fireball.
Not funny. Just do it, you bumbo.
Fine.
What did you
This. Where is it? Stop. You know I have golden apples, right? You know I have golden apples.
Sorry. I love you.
Fine. Fine. Any last words?
I'm unkillable now.
Unkillable. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's stand in it. Let's stand in it. Oh, you took massive amount of damage.
I got eaten by chicken right now.
Because you're running. If you run and then do it,
Stop.
come back here, you bumbo. You know what it means, bumbo? Bumbo means this! Fly! Okay, fine, blow it up. No! Yes! Are you ready to die? Are you ready to die? Okay, fine, bye. Wait, did something die here? Was it pig? Get away! I have full health also. No. Okay, let's spawn a ghast. Okay, did he get a bow? Shoot it at the correct time. Alert! Be alert, it's shooting you. Hey, I hit it with my bow.
Oh yeah, you hit the fireball with your bow.
Yes, I killed it with my bow.
You hit the fireball with your own bow.
Oh yeah, which equals a bow which is made out of fire with another fireball reflect. Reflecting it. Dude, be ready for the next raid. This time Get under roof.
Shit is wrong with you.
No, don't kill me! Dude, I'm kind of AFK now. Okay, now I'm not. Okay, go.
Dude, come here. We can put some TNT, we can fly and go up.
What the heck? Oh god! No, I'm falling in the void! Oh my god! I'm just... Oh.
Let's all of us down.
No! No! Stop! Hey, don't call me Bumbo. What is
That's a like kind of name only kids will say that.
Okay, join my game now. Okay. Take
I'll call you stupid. Yeah.
Fine, whatever. Okay, I'm going to do the most OP clutches in Minecraft.
Okay, let's see about that. Combos. I need to do a lot of enchanting.
Are you going to do enchanting? You shut up. Lol. Okay, now I'm going to spawn a boat and I'm going to dance on a boat like dream. Okay! Leave boat! Why didn't...
Hey, where's the arrow?
Dude, can you look at me for a second? Dude, can you look at me for a second? Dude, can you look at me for a second? Can you come out? Yeah. Yeah, and now.
Freaking boat! I'm at the freaking boat. Okay, wait.
Okay, I have an idea. Let's make a full massive cube, of this thing, flint and steel, which will lag out our server. Okay?
No.
Yes. Oh my god, guys, I have to go because my storage is almost full. And
no.
bye! And subscribe to RN Rocks and Mr. Yeah, that's right.